Hello my friends, welcome on this video tutorial. I will show you today how to verify your domain name on the Facebook page. If you have a website, in my case I have tips2fix.com, and you want to verify this domain name, your website domain name, with the Facebook page, with your Facebook account, with your Facebook page, it's very important to do this verification of domain name. It's because when you post something and you want to share that post from your website link to Facebook page, sometimes Facebook it will block your content or something like that. So it's very important to link that together. Link the Facebook with your website. So we need to do the verification, like Facebook is saying. Okay, let's go directly to the point. Let's go here on the Tips to Fix page. First of all, go to Facebook businesses, search it on Google, Facebook Business Manager. Yes, go here on Facebook Manager, Facebook Business Manager, and here you can go to more tabs. Okay, go here on the business settings. Here on the business settings, you have to go here to brand safety. Okay, on the brand safety, you will choose domains, and here it is. You don't have any domains yet, so I will click that option, add, and here it is. Facebook is asking me for the domain name, and the domain name is tips2fix.com. Click add the domain name. Okay, let's do a refresh here. Here we are. After we refresh, we see this owned by Tips2Fix, and here is the code. You can copy on the clipboard, but it's not linked yet. The status is not verified. So what we have to do, we have two methods. One method is DNS verification, Metatag verification. This is new method, but I will use DNS and HTML file, and we will see here Metatag. Let's start with DNS verification. Choose one of them. I will choose this DNS verification. So what do you have to do? You have to log into your domain registrar and visit the DNS record section. We have to create a TXT record in your DNS configuration with this value. Just copy this value, or just click it and it will be copied automatically. And we will add the text records with the @name and with this value. Let's do it right now directly. So I will go on the domain registrar. On my case, domain registrar is another company, but my domain is configured in Cloudflare. It's easy. What do we have to do? In my case, I will come here on Cloudflare and choose Tips2Fix here. Go here on the DNS section, okay, and go to add record, okay, and we need to add a type of record. Use @ wait a second, we need to use @ and here no, we have to use here TXT. Okay, we have to use @ let it auto TTL and content, paste this Facebook domain verification and the code we have. Click save. So here it is. I add a record. Let's go on the Facebook page now and click the verify. Here tips2fix.com is verified. Okay, you will see the green sign from Facebook. Click OK, and let's do a refresh on this page, and we will see here the green light. Okay, nice. I just verified my domain name. Okay, let's try now another method to verify. I will remove this domain right now. Okay, I just removed the domain. Let's do the refresh. Again, I will add a domain name. I will paste the tips to fix.com. And what I have to do, I will remove this record. I will delete this record from my domain register. Click delete. And here it is. Let's do a refresh here on Cloudflare. Let's go back on the Facebook. Click add a domain. Click refresh here. Here we are. Okay. Let's go back here. I did this method, DNS verification. We will do HTML verification. Next method. Just download this HTML file. Open up the folder. And we will upload this file. We will upload on the root of our website. Okay. Let's go here on cPanel control panel, in my case, file manager, go here on the public folder, and I will paste it. I will bring it here. I will upload it here. Here it is. Just do an upload and go back. Here it is, the file. Click verify here. You will see tips to fix is verified now. This is another method how to verify your domain name on the Facebook. And also the other method is with Metatag. You copy and paste the code on the header. Let's remove the domain name again. Let's delete this from the server and let's try third method. Let's delete this file now from the server. And we will try the third method. Add the domain name again. tips2fix.com. Click add a domain name. Refresh. And we will see here Metatag Verification. We have to copy this code and we have to add this meta tag and in the head of our website, of our HTML homepage. Let's go here directly to customize. I will go here on the dashboard on my website. I will edit, search for header, theme header. Here on the theme header, here on the head, I will paste this code from Facebook. I will do an update on my website and I will go back here on verify, and Facebook is verified. Okay, Facebook verified the website. So these are the three methods how to verify a domain name on the Facebook page. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any other questions, just write me comment on the comment area. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. Tips to Fix.